Test, test. Oh man, guys, what a morning. What a way to start the week. Holy smokes. AMC's at 33. Tesla, let's see. I know they're checking into the safety features. US opens, safety probe into Tesla autopilot crashes. It's not good. Tesla's back at 7. That's what I've been waiting for. Ruben. But we're not seeing that right now. Let's see what SPY's taking us today. Let's see what the strength's at. Ooh, red on SPY. We're hitting lows right now. Nasdaq, at least we're kind of flat there. The Dow, oh, we're pulling back. There might be some weakness today. Not for tech though. Tech looks like it's bouncing. Except for Tesla, of course, like always, man. Tesla never disappoints. Tesla never fails to disappoint. What's going on, Elmo? Kyoto? Sorry for being late, guys. See what's trending on Twitter. I heard the Ortex data for AMC is actually pretty good this morning. What's going on, Rob? Hopefully you had fun camping over the weekend. Freaking mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes. Yeah, someone got shot this morning. That's why I was late, because I had to call 911. I was the only one out there. I'm the only crazy guy awake at freaking 5:30. I swear, yeah. I wouldn't make this up. Why would I be late? What's going on, Ruben? Good morning. Someone just got shot across the street. That's it. He didn't have his phone. He got shot on the left butt cheek and was screaming for help. I swear, 5:30 in the morning. I didn't shoot anybody. Oh, I thought we were at 20%. AMC SI is at 19.19%. I thought we had seen 20. No, no. Let's see. Ron Paul is trending. U.S. Air Force. Did you guys see this video? What's going on out there? I don't even want to talk about this. They're really hanging on to the plane. World War Z is trending. Yeah, Spy's coming down. A bootstrap. We're in the red, but 443. I mean, you can't really complain when we're gonna get these discounts this week. Hopefully, man. Uh-oh, Tesla's about to crack 7. See, after earnings and after the AGM for AMC, I really don't know what's next. Like, what's the next catalyst, guys, that can send us back to like 40, 50 bucks, especially with the volume. If you look here, we had some decent volume there on the earnings. Tesla's coming down. I'm reading this book by this guy named Nicholas. Made like 2 million in like 1960s. I barely started reading it, and I'll keep you guys updated on his strategy. So I'm always looking to like expand strategies, Just look what worked for other people at different times and see how that can make all of us better traders, better investors. What's going on, Mitch? YouTube keeps trying to sell me electric scooters before your streams. I kid you not, we are talking about electric scooters on Friday. About the company is Lime, and there's another one called Bird. They're called Birds. Out here in the LA area, they have them. You could just, scan your phone on it, and it'll charge you for however much time you use the scooter for. I guess YouTube does. Oh, these mosquitoes, I swear my legs are itchy. I should just stop scratching it. But yeah, I guess they listen to us. YouTube tunes into our streams. 696. This is the thing about Tesla. Every time you crack a support level like that, it doesn't drop a dollar. It'll drop like 4 or 5 bucks. That's why you have to be careful when trading Tesla. AMC, we're still at 33, man. We're still above 30s. What brand of electric scooter was it? I don't know. Mitch Peace. Mitch Peace, what brand was it? Because I know you could buy your own brand. I mean, your own scooter, your own Bird scooter, and you could just charge it at home. And if you think about it, if you're out here like in LA and you don't have to go anywhere far, that's not a bad investment. You beat the traffic all the time. Howdy, Pam. Good morning. Uh, uh, The guy, the guy, the guy who shot the guy this morning. I don't even know who was it. It could have been a female. I don't know. They took off. No, when I got back, he was on the floor screaming. He had already got shot. He was already screaming. I kid you not, if I wasn't there, I don't know who would have helped him. Poor guy. Come down, baby. 695. Tesla's coming down. Spy's at the lows again. Bring down Spy, baby. Bring down the house today. Maybe 441 today. Bloody Monday, huh? Tech is the only thing that's doing pretty decently. Oh, I guess I shouldn't have said that. We're pulling back now. 33. Let's watch Tesla sink. Couple Virgin Galactic. 26. Not bad. 693. If I bought my own bird scooter, it would get stolen. How? Look up Rion. Isn't that a car manufacturer? Oh, it's a scooter company. Rion. $1,600 for the scooter. See, this is like twice the price of a bird. 692. Oh man. 691. Tesla's really hitting the fan this morning. Elon Musk shoots for the moon 2024 or sooner. Nice. I kind of want to buy Tesla, but I don't know if we're going to keep on sinking. Yeah, look at Nasdaq. We're still pulling back. Ooh. Finally, man, we get pullbacks. Let's see if we crack 690. Oh, what the? Did you see that? It's like I almost shorted Tesla, but it didn't let me because you can't short Tesla. Hmm. Freaking think or swims, always playing games with me. If this was Apple, that would have initiated a short position. I heard Dogecoin hit 30. Let's see. If it goes to $80. No, Dogecoin's at 33 cents, but Dogecoin tanked right now. We were at 35. For some reason, I really think Dogecoin could revisit 10 cents again. Yeah, Moderna, thanks for bringing that up. I got another alert this morning that it was crashing. Oh my gosh, it's still crashing. This stock had a pretty decent bounce when we were at 403. I thought buying at 370s was a good dip buy here, right around here. It would have been a nice play to sell the next day on Thursday. But now, if I would have held this position, we're kind of got wrecked here. But see, oh no, that was just my phone. Um, if it crash, oh man, I hate playing these vaccine stocks, but you can't deny this is a pretty juicy dip. I think we could see 350s. I think they just approved the third shot. Who's getting the third shot? That's these bounces aren't convincing me. These bounces are really weak. 691 to 693. And we still seeing pressure on the Nasdaq. Yep. We're still coming down. Sheesh. Need a low on Nasdaq. I have no opinion on Ripple because I don't know much about Ripple. Let's see, Twitter. Any news on Twitter? Tesla, blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah, Tesla AI Day is on the 20th. Is that on Thursday, Friday? Friday. No, it's on the 19th, right? 19 or 20? 19. So the probe is for Tesla Autopilot in 2014 to 2021 models for Y, X, S, and 3. Basically all the models. Let's see. Earnings today. After close, do you have any? Oh, we have Roblox earnings today. That's today after hours, by the way. But my Roblox peeps. I can't type this morning. Uh, I'm not convinced, man. I really think Tesla could keep on crashing today. These bounces are really weak. I need something like 696. I'm not convinced. I think we'll see some new lows on Tesla. Even AMC's pulling back. Let's see. Roblox earnings today. Any other notables? I have no idea what any of these companies are, to be honest. Always buy before earnings. I'd like you to lose money. Absolutely not. I don't like earnings. I like playing the hype into earnings, but I don't like holding through earnings. Moderna announced a supply agreement with Canada for expanded supply of Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine in 2020, 2023, and 2024. First day of school for my kids. Overall, very happy with the LAUSD policy and planning masks and weekly tests. Did school start today? I think for some people it did, right? Excited to have the kids back in school. Hmm. I start next week. Oh, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be stressful, but it's gonna be worth it. AMC back to testing 33. Mm, Tesla, SPY bouncing off the lows. This reminds me of like 2 weeks ago. You really don't know if this is the low on the day. What's going on, C3D? My wife started last week as a teacher. Nice. So I guess it's around this time, which makes sense. It's August. And it's back in person too. Buy AMC near the lows at 33. I still think we're gonna make the big move. This stock AMC stock has not made the big move yet. I really don't know when. Like it's already gonna be closing in on this triangle I've been having since late June. Support's right around $29. And we really don't have any catalyst, to be honest, after the AGM earnings. I really can't think of any other catalyst. I mean, maybe new movie releases. And to be honest, I was debating on going into AMC over the weekend, but the movies are just they don't catch my attention. There's just no good movies out there right now. I mean, who has hit an AMC lately? Who has been to an AMC lately? Let me know what movie you guys watched too. AMC 3285. J&J has been red 3 days in the last month. That's it. Microsoft and Apple have had more. Let's take a look at J&J. And it's green. Moderna. Uh-oh, Tesla new low 690s. These bounces are weak right now. You'd hate to be a day trader today on Tesla for sure. SPY coming up a new low as well. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Off a new low as well. The blood continues this morning. Hmm. Ruben, that's exactly the same movie I was gonna go watch, but literally, it's called Don't Breathe, right? Don't Breathe 2. When I AMC Friday, Ben watched the Blind Man movie. I'm pretty sure it's Don't Breathe. If you watch that movie's trailer, they literally play the whole entire movie during the trailer. Like, there's no need to watch that movie once you watch the trailer, by the way. Horrible. I don't know who put that trailer together. And I think they're kind of forcing that movie too. Oh, it was good? No, I'll have to go watch it. Let's see. Vortex. So Ortex is not shielding anymore, right? Now that the AMC short interest is right under 20%. Ortex is now good for the apes, but wait till that SI drops and it's bought out. It's corrupted. Let's see. 19.19 still. Let's take a look at GameStop for this. GameStop's always been around 10% on Ortex. What do you know? It's still the same thing, 10.41%. And GameStop sitting lovely at 160 right now. Like heat map is pretty brutal. Reform. Why is Shiba trending? Taliban in control of Afghanistan. After seizing presidential palace. That's all I'm seeing. Oh, there was also a massive earthquake. Rest in peace. Because the death toll on that earthquake in was it Haiti? Was like 1,200 people. It sucks. It's kind of scary, you know? 7.2. I still think a big, massive earthquake is coming to Cali soon. The big one, as they call it. Mm, kind of bummed out. 691 still for Tesla. If it cracks 690, we're going in head first. AMC still at 33, man. Spies at least somewhat bouncing. Nasdaq is bouncing as well. That's where we're seeing a somewhat of a small bounce here on Apple. Still kind of red or green right here. Kind of flat still. Come on, AMC. We need stronger bounces than that. One thing I'm worried about AMC is the volume drying up in the next coming weeks. Snap creators say they're leaving the app spotlight feature as payments dry up. Snap? I'm assuming Snapchat, right? Snapchat spotlight feature. As Snapchat as a like social media platform, I think it's kind of died out. Like I don't even use Snapchat anymore. It's like Facebook. Like I don't even use Facebook anymore. It's mostly like Twitter and slightly Instagram. Come on, AMC. I feel like we're just barcoding now on AMC. We're just not doing anything. At least we're holding support, right? At least we're holding support and not tanking. That's not bad. GameStop still at the 160 level. Tesla's about to crack. Does that mean Nasdaq still pulling back? Yes, Nasdaq is still testing the lows, man. This is the scary part about when you're buying the dip. You really don't know if you're buying the bottom of the day or you're gonna buy the top. Because this can crack to like 670 for all we know. 690.05. Yeah, see, let's go into the hood. Let's see what Robinhood's at. 47. Is there anything that's at least green today? J&J. Yeah, J&J might be the winner today. This is like the only green thing I see on here. PayPal. That heat map, I know it looks not great. J&J's green. PayPal's green. What's Bitcoin at? My best guess would be Bitcoin's at 39 or 49. No, 46. It's coming down as well. Even Bitcoin's falling today. Come on, AMC. Do something, man. Oh my gosh, the VIX is moving too. Yeah, the VIX could be it's green today. Forgot about the VIX. We had a gap up from 15 to 17. Can we retest 21? What did we hit last time? 21? And if you just look at the daily on this, every single time we pull back to like new lows, we have this random spike. The spikes, however, are lower. They have lower highs here. From 38 to 31 to 28 to 24. What's the next spike? Like 21? Does anybody have any VIX calls, by the way? Just curious. Dogecoin? Disney. No, I don't play Disney. That's mostly because I don't like Disneyland. I don't know what it is. I just don't. I'm not a big fan of amusement parks. Why is Tokyo 2020 still on here? I thought the Olympics ended. What's going on? Hashtag life was so simple when it's trending. Life was so simple when MTV played music. Life was so simple when we were all just watching Tiger King. Believe it or not, I don't know what that is, Tiger King. I've seen the guy, but I've never watched like an episode or whatever. Life was so simple when everything was in black and white. AMC still at 33, man. Tesla's still 690. Hmm. Let's go on Yahoo Finance and see what's trending on there. Neo. And Neo had earnings last Wednesday. This is in the steps of Tesla, though. Oh, that drop here pre-market actually was a little bit more steep. Tesla's still pulling back. Just got the alert for that. I wouldn't be surprised if Neo just hits a new low right now as well. But looking back, it's almost back at my buy range. My buy range was here near the lows. I have an alert here, so look at 28, and it from 30 it bounced all the way to 56. A lot of people made a lot of money on calls on this, buying at what 40 calls when it was at 30. Not bad. When we all lived in caves. Is that like the Amish, Rob? Sono Doge is trending. Walmart is trending, by the way, too. Is that green? Yes, indeed it is. I should have held on to my Walmart. I wasn't patient enough. What was I gonna look at? Oh, um, Sono. What is that? I think someone brought this up last week, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see the volume. Top volume stonks today. Yes, thanks for reminding me. Walmart does have earnings this week. You're right. Um, pre-market tomorrow, actually. For those of you wondering, is AMC really barcoding right now? I can't believe my eyes. 688 for Tesla. Nasdaq still kind of weak here. Mm, Um, you guys think the bleeding will stop like midday, or is it just gonna be a massive bloodbath? I miss those days where it'd be so bloody, where you just close at a new low into close. Like it would just be mm, down the whole day. There was really no bounce, and that's what we're seeing right now. So look, new lows. Incredible. Still at 689. These bounces are really, really weak on Tesla right now, to be honest. Sono puts. Let's see, most active stocks today on Yahoo. Apple, of course. Where's AMC on there? Number what? Number 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9 on the list. That's still dropping, man. Apple's number 1. Neo's number 2. Obviously, we're tanking on Neo. 38. Wish. Forgot about Wish. Our people lost so much money on this last week. Like going Wall Street bet, and it was a bloodbath in there. And we're back at 653 low pre-market on Friday. We're literally almost back at the pre-market level on Friday. AMD is the next one on there. Also dropping like a rock. Palantir, I think this one came off earnings as well. Also dropping like a rock. EDUs and education. What is it? New Oriental Education Technology Group. Oh, this is an ugly ass chart. You'll never catch me buying this. SoFi. This looks like a Uncle Bruce stock right here. AMC's the next one. We're also pulling back Bank of America, Ford, and Pfizer. Tesla at 685. Stop the bloodbath. Let's size in with like 5 shares, and then we'll just kind of buy the dip on that. Is that 5 shares? Yeah, I don't want to buy 500 shares like last time. Oh, be safe. Have a good one, Kevin. Vacation week. Followed by a little golf. There we go. Have a good one, Kevin. Hopefully by the time you're back, man, AMC's like a freaking $50. Tesla, Microsoft, Clover. Moderna. Let's set another on this. What are we getting at? 685. Let's set at 683. 683, 684. See if we still continue to dip. Moderna, new low, 355. I'm telling you, 350s, I think it's possible today. Let's be patient. Spy, what a bounce. What a bounce on Spy. Come on, NASDAQ. AMC, what are we doing? Still at 3280s. Think we might pull back here. Let's take a look at the level 2. See if we see some big support levels or resistance levels, because we've been kind of just trading sideways here. Nothing too crazy on AMC. That's my biggest worry, man, the volume. Because it's already mid-August, man. Like, I don't know how people, especially those who went all in on AMC, can be like this patient. I really don't understand. I really don't. LAX was one of my favorite dividend stocks. Hate the volume on that, man. Usually what I try to stick to is the top volume, top volatile stocks. That's where the attention's at. Whether it's rallying or tanking, I think there's opportunity in that. We're still pulling back on this, on Tesla. It can get pretty bad for Tesla, to be honest. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we go to like 660, 670. That's why we're only buying a little bit of shares right now, because knowing Tesla, it can really get aggressive on the sell-offs, especially when the entire market's red. Like, the entire market's red and it has a bad catalyst on its name right now. Let's see. XOM. Mm. Uh, Still watching Tesla for a deeper discount. Yeah, I do have a slight feeling it could crash a little bit lower, but you never know. If it starts to bounce here back to like 700, then obviously, we'd be kind of sitting in a good position with only 5 shares, I guess. But if this drops to like 660, 670, that's a good place to like double down. But you're right. You're right. I think there might be some more discounts today. I mean, Nasdaq is just about to crack 15K here on futures. This is like in weeks still. Sometimes patience pays, man. But sometimes you also miss the dips. That's why sizing in little by little is obviously not a bad idea. AMC 33 bounds. Hashtag patience. There we go. Total crypto market cap is back over 2 trillion. Nice. Uh-oh, Tesla's still cracking 683. It's still coming down, baby. Give me those discounts. Let's set up a couple of alerts because later we probably won't be at the screen. Oh, it's still pulling back. 682 Nasdaq once again. This is what I'm talking about. It can just keep on sinking, baby. It's a bottomless pit right now. Oh man. If AMC can hold 33 today, guys, if AMC can hold $33, I call that a win, to be honest. On a day like today, such a bad market open, it's like 45 minutes into the market open and it's just a bloodbath everywhere. 33 close wouldn't be too bad. Another new low on this? Are you kidding me? Shh. 682, man. It's new low 681. This is why you only buy a little bit of shares because it could continue to drop. Let's see if we could add more. What are we in at 685? All right, let's see. We'll crack 680s here. That as well, Elmo. Moderna, did we crack 50? Oh, we're so close. 352. Telling you, we're seeing 350, maybe under 350 today. 350 is going to be a massive stop loss sell off crap show right now. Watch. I think it does crack 350. Happy birthday to Social Security. Microsoft, Amazon, new lows, Netflix also pulling back. Neo 38, Tesla 680s are about to crack 680s. Doge price skyrockets over 10% after Mark Cuban's tweet. Mark Cuban tweeted? Let's see. What did Mr. Cuban say? I don't pump anything other than the Mavs merch, but the Doge sphere is fun. Their memes are great. They have fun. They make fun of themselves. It's fun to be a part of. That's his tweet. Tesla stop dropping, man. 679. Oh man, this is a pretty steep drop to be honest. We opened at what, 7? Man. Mm. AMC reversing 3318. Come on, GameStop, wake up as well. 160s. Somebody tweeted Tesla is down 5%. Call Powell ASAP. US stocks extend fall. Let's check Ortex. I'm surprised. I think the SPY held up a little bit better than the Nasdaq. How about the Dow as well? Nasdaq flipped. Look, we're still hitting new lows. Jeez. Let's take a look at AMC. New low. 19.18. Still same. So when you look at the 5 minute, we're obviously looking like pretty oversold here on Tesla. The thing is, you really can't catch the bottom. We're seeing somewhat of a decent bounce right now. Maybe a 686 bounce. But that's the thing. This thing can bounce here slightly and still continue to tank and sink. If we continue to sink and we end the stream, I'm probably gonna buy more. To I'm being honest. AMC is reversing nicely. GameStop as well. We're seeing a V recovery here. Nearly back in the green again for AMC. I think we honored these higher lows here as well. Off the 28 low. The bottom for Tesla is now $6. Never. Let's set a couple of alerts. Back to the mid 33 level, guys. I think still like I'll stay true to my saying. A close above 33 today is a big W for AMC. I'll also keep you guys posted on the SI. Oh man, the Nasdaq continues to sink. My alerts are getting triggered left and right. This is insane. SQs must be rallying hard too this morning. 8:33. That's interesting. Tesla's actually kind of holding here. It's not following Nasdaq like it was earlier, because we're seeing new low after new low here on Nasdaq. It's like AMC is like inversely related and correlated to the Nasdaq, to the indices. That's interesting. Um, so those are my plans for the next coming hour. So if the market continues to fall, oh, Moderna's about to crack 50. That's for me to re-enter AMC, I think I'd have to see some substantial collapse to like 30, 31 today, which I don't think we'll see. We're kind of holding pretty decently above 33. Obviously for Tesla, there might be some new lows, but I only have a little bit of shares, so it doesn't even matter. But I'll consider buying if we do continue to drop, and which we probably will, because the Nasdaq is literally flirting with these lows here. Up, SPY's coming back down as well. So just play it safe today, guys. Watch those stop losses. Watch that position size. And with that being said, we're gonna end the stream here. So if you guys enjoyed this, appreciate a thumbs up. We're gonna be back tomorrow morning, and we'll see what happens. We'll see where AMC takes us. GameStop, Tesla, all these stocks we're watching. Let's see if Moderna cracks 50. Maybe I'll dip by this stock. It's down another 10% today. We were at 497 high, literally under 500 on this. Now it's at 350. Oh, it's about to crack 350. Oh, it just cracked 350. It hit our price target for today. How much lower can Moderna go? I mean everything really just regresses to the mean, right? And for the SMA, we're looking at 300. So I would probably say 320 area, right around here. Can we hit 320 today? That'd be insane if this hits 320 today. I do have a feeling Tesla's gonna rebound hard midday today or tomorrow morning. Like knowing what Tesla does with this bad catalyst, it eats up the catalyst like nothing ever happened. So I'll hold off on that. I'll probably just hold it today, depending on how hard we bounce. But AMC to the bottom of the sea, that's a new Disney film. We'll see what happens, man. I'm still waiting for the bottom of the sea. I don't think we'll see that today though. Knock on wood. Nice bounce off of 33. But we'll see. We'll see. So those are my plays. And Moderna obviously is like the back burner on my watch list. This is like at the end of my watch list. First it's AMC, then Tesla, and then Moderna. We'll see. I don't like playing vaccine stocks, but you can't deny that this isn't a juicy dip. So with that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your morning. Stay safe, stay well, stay healthy. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream and another video later, by the way. Peace out.